Hello everyone, this is the second part of honest review for the QIDI Plus full printer. As I said in my first video, I am not an affiliate, I paid the full price for this printer, and in this video I would like to talk about how QIDI team addressed the issue with SSR melting. If you do not have time to watch this video, so TLDR is customer support 5 stars, printer wiring 3 stars, board 4 stars. Like and subscribe, much appreciated. So the first things first, I am super happy with customer support. I received my free parts after 2 weeks after I sent them email. Here is what I received. Pretty nice to see that QIDI even thought about screwdrivers. Thank you. So for the timeliness, free parts, and good instructions on how to replace them, QIDI deserves 5 stars from me, 100%. Now let's take a closer look to the board I received. I am not an expert in electronics, definitely cannot compare individual parts on this board. However, it is clear to me that the new board I received is not of the same quality as the one we had before. We can see that it is dirty, soldering is not that good quality as the first board. I'm not saying that it is not going to work or it is bad, but it is definitely not that good as the first board. Okay, time to replace the board. Need to unscrew bunch of screws. Some of them are machine screws. That's what you should have after you take them all out. These 3 screws, they hold the bottom of the back part of the printer, so be careful. They are not the same as others. These 4 black screws, they are holding the cover of the board we're going to replace, so you're not going to use them after, as this box is slightly different in size and we will need longer screws. Here is what you see when you remove the back cover. To be honest, slightly unexpected. That's where my rating from 5 stars for support goes to 3 stars for wiring. This makes very little sense to me. Why they just didn't edit some cable lines so all the cables can be in their locations and the motor wires do not really close to the power wires to avoid interference. So again, my personal opinion, wiring 3 stars. After removing the cover of the chamber heater control board, we can see that board that we need to replace. Should pay very close attention to this white wire. Here is how this new board looks like after the installation. When you connect these power wires on the right side of the board, make sure you install it with a slight angle. If you install them straight, you won't be able to put the cover box. This is just because this board is placed not at the center of the mounting plate. I think they just didn't pay much attention to exact location of the mounting holes. Be super careful with this white wire. There is no notch on the left or bottom side of the cover box for this white wire. So if you position it not carefully, you may just crush this wire with the cover. Also, this wire is not long enough to use the top notch or the right notch. The good news is that this board cover is wide enough, and if I place this white wire a little bit below the board, there is enough place for the wire to stay not damaged. Besides that, the installation is pretty straightforward. Did a couple of prints after. The chamber heater works pretty well. I really enjoy the print quality. Thank you and have fun.